Wow, Levante Beach, where golden sands meet electric vibes and every sunset feels like a party!
Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking you on a tour of Levante Beach in Benidorm. Well, Levante Beach is Benidorm's sun-soaked fun, stretching over 2 kilometres of golden sands lined with palm trees and a bustling promenade. Known for its lively atmosphere, it's perfect for sunbathers, water sports enthusiasts and nightlife lovers alike. Just a stone throws from Benidorm's infamous clubs and cabarets like Benidorm Palace, it offers the best of both worlds, daytime relaxation and after dark entertainment. Levante Beach in Benidorm is indeed famous for its vibrant beach bar scene, offering a mix of a lovely atmosphere and stunning sea views. The Bikini Beach Bar is located on the corner of Levante Beach Promenade. Here are some of the highlights for the Bikini Beach Bar. Large shaded terrace with panoramic sea views, serves a full menu including the breakfast and grilled dishes. And it's famous for its yard of beer, 2.5 litres of beer, and it's open from 9 AM till 2 AM, offering a relaxed vibe by day and livelier music at night. Here are some of the other bars that's located on Levante Beach. The Tiki Beach Bar, the Caterpillar Beach Bar, the Moon Beach Bar, Daytona Rock Bar and the Guinness Bar. Yeah, Levante Beach is the perfect place to unwind and soak up the dreamy beach getaway you've always wanted. Here's why it's ideal for relaxation, along with some tips and to enhance your experience. Soft golden sands stretching 2 kilometres. The beach is clean, well maintained and perfect for sunbathing. The Mediterranean here is gentle, making it great for swimming and floating peacefully. Sunbeds and umbrella rentals affordable around about €5 to €10 a day and available along the entire beach. Some beach bars like the Bikini Beach Bar offer free sunbeds if you order food and drinks. Morning serenity, arrive early before 11 AM to enjoy the calmest moments, fewer crowds. Please give us a thumbs up if you like the video. And yes, Benidorm gets very hot during the summer months, especially in July and August, with high temperatures, intense sunshine and minimal rainfall. Here's a detailed breakdown of what to expect. July peak heat. Daytime temperatures average 29, often reaching 30. Nighttime lows around 19, 22 and staying warm. Sea temperature a pleasant 25, ideal for swimming. Rainfall very low, 10 millimeters with only 1 to 3 rainy days per month. Yeah, tips for visiting this summer. Avoid the midday sun. Book a beach bar early. For real-time updates, check the 14-day forecast before your trip. Benidorm offers a fantastic shopping experiences beyond the beach, with distinctive vibes in the new town, modern, commercial, and the old town, charming and authentic. Some tips for shopping. The New Town convenience, air-conditioned malls and fast fashion. Old Town unique souvenirs, a slower pace and photo-worthy streets. Best time, Old Town mornings, cooler, fewer crowds. New Town evenings and the shops are open late. Well, loving the video so far? Smash that thumbs up and let's keep the good vibes rolling. Why not zipline? This is a unique cable-powered water sports experience where you can try waterboarding, water skiing or kneeboarding on a 1 kilometre circuit over the sea. The thrill factor reaches speeds up to 58 kilometres for professionals. Well, if you liked the video today, smash that like button if you're excited for Benidorm, and don't forget to subscribe for many more sunny adventures. Well, if you enjoyed this tour of Benidorm's iconic Levante Beach, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more travel adventures and hit that bell so you never miss a video. Your support helps this channel grow and share those hidden gems with more travellers. Got questions, favourite spots on Levante Beach? Drop them in the comments, I'd love to hear from you. Now go and grab a cocktail at the bikini bar, soak up the sun, and I'll see you in the next video. Adios amigos.